All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're working on today is the driver's side signal light. You see it's kind of missing now. Should look like that. So my other one was all cracked up and beat up, and it was hanging by a thread when I originally got this truck. And we tried holding it up there, but eventually it finally just came off, and yeah, it's time to replace it. So we got all of our stuff here, and we got the new light. And there's the part number for it, just in case someone else out there might have one of these. These do fit other trucks as well, but this is going to be mounted right back up on here. So let's go ahead and get this old stuff off. We'll get our wires out, start connecting up the new one here. Just like anything else, this one's spinning freely in there because it's so rusted together. And same with this thing. This thing isn't even budging. I'm actually splitting it open, trying to get it off. So let's go ahead and get the Sawzall, chop this one off, and then we'll see what we can do about this one. So I had to grab the punch. Obviously it's sliding off. All right, one hole down. Time to get that one off now. There we go. Ace. All right, so let's go ahead and get our wiring through here. And if anyone knows where I can get a new connector here, that would be great. Whew. I have to clean these off. Actually, this is so corroded, I'm gonna have to put all new wires on here. I'll have to clip this. So this is what happens when you start digging into old stuff like this. A simple 5-minute job throwing the light on, and now we gotta replace wiring and everything. And you can see how corroded that is, and actually that piece not even connected anymore. It's actually broke off in there. Can't really see it, but it's snapped off in there. So, all right. So we'll do one at a time here. This is gonna be our hot wire. We got our solder heat shrink here. These are the best things. I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to pick up some. All we're simply going to do is slip this end in there, make sure it goes past the solder, and same thing with this. So that way the wires are going up and down and the solder's in the middle, and we'll go ahead and heat this up. All right, you can actually see where the solder moved around in there. So now they're connected really good. That's a good fit, and it's watertight. And I already have one of these crimped on to go ahead and attach to the ground. So we'll just cut this. All right, same thing. And that's a really good one. You could see the solder, how it expanded down after heating up. So that's gonna be nice and connected good. And once again, we'll go ahead and throw some tape on there. Okay, so even though I have two black wires on here, I know which one's which because I already had that on there for my ground. So positive, negative, and then our ground. So let's run it out through here and we'll get it hooked up. And we can test it before we hook everything up here. So I know that might be hard to see, but that is the blinker. You can see it, hopefully. There we go. It's a little better sitting up there. So the left is working. All right, there we go. So it is working. Let's go ahead and get everything all hooked up. All right, let's slide our gasket on before we forget. All right, so gotta remember when you're putting this in, there's your ground right there. So that's where this is gonna have to connect onto, right on there. All right, since those are big holes, we're gonna do a couple things here. All right, let's go ahead and mount it on. And there's no simple way of doing this. I had to go grab some longer bolts, because you actually have to reach up under that thing and try and hold everything together, which is a pain in the butt, especially with short screws. So got some longer bolts, not screws. Okay, got that side tightened down. And blinker is working. All right, I think we are all set here now. Everything's back to how it should be. Just an old dump truck with old parts. So ran into a couple issues, had to drill out some stuff, rusted in as usual, corroded wires. Once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.